Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to remove likes from Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, then tap on menu option, scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Tap on settings, then scroll down, tap on activity log. Okay, click on activity history. Just wait few seconds. Okay, then tap on filters, click on categories, tap on your Facebook activity, click on comments and reaction, click on like and reaction, then show your all like post. Okay, just tap on three dot option and unlike. Okay, remove like from Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.